Hey guys, what's up and welcome to the unboxing of the Alldocube X Game, a tablet made, well, specifically for gaming with the Helio P90 processor as well as 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of ROM. What they've sent me here is the actual game itself as well as a magnetic keyboard that goes along with it. So let's look at the X Game first. So opening up the box, come on, so there we go. We have the tablets. Let's put this aside first and look at what else we have. So we have a pin popper here. We have a USB-C cable. And we have a charger. I don't know if it's fast charge because I know that this device does support fast charging. Just don't know if this one is a fast charger. There's nothing else in here and nothing else in there as well. So that's pretty sparse. All you have is a charger as well as a cable, and that's it. So let's look at the actual tablet itself, and not bad. So this is the tablet. Oh, let's do some peeling action here. There we go. So this is the X Game. It's got a pretty nice construction actually. So at the back here, it's fully metal. It feels pretty good. We have your 5 pogo pins here that are for the keyboard. There's also a camera. There's a sticker down here. And up here we have the power buttons as well as the volume buttons. And we have a USB-C charging port here. We have dual firing speakers here and here as well, and then it's glass on the front. So let's put this aside and look at the keyboard. All right, so here we have the keyboard, and it's in a plastic case. And all right, so as you can see here, there is it's a little bit cramped actually, the keyboard here. Keys feel a little bit cheap, not gonna lie, it feels a little bit cheap. And then you have your pogo pins up here, right there, and the tablet just pops right in actually. So it just pops right in here, like this. Like that. There we go. And then this actually, I believe it's magnetic, so it goes, so I think it actually clicks in. Yep, it's definitely magnetic. Like I have to pull to get it out. And then you have 2 positions here. I kind of wish it went that like lower, kind of like somewhere here, but it doesn't. So it kind of goes here and here, and that's it. Okay, let's turn on the tablet and see what we got. So I set up the tablet and I installed a lot of apps, and what I'll do is I'll actually just test out one aspect or 2 aspects of the tablet. For first impressions. First is going to be the screen, so let's open this up and see what we have. And let's turn this up to 21. Alright, we'll start here again. And let's see. Let's see how good this screen is. It actually looks better through the camera. I'm not sure why. It's more vivid. It's kind of weird, but the colors are not as good as I expected them to be, because it seems like well, I don't know. This is an IPS panel, so IPS is probably not gonna be as saturated as OLED, unfortunately. But you know, it still looks, I guess, decent. So I think most people should be okay with it. Just be aware that it doesn't look as good as I thought it would. So, all right, the next thing we're going to test is the audio quality, and I have this very popular free audio to let you guys listen. Oops, let you guys listen to it. Let's see. That actually doesn't sound too bad, actually. Okay, maybe I spoke too soon. I mean, it sounds okay, but there was like no bass at all. So, I mean, other tablets with stereo speakers do have bass. This one does not. But hey, we'll see. So it does have 128. I'm going to install Genshin, Asphalt, and I think Hearthstone. And I'm going to test those out for you later. But for now, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.